King Opoku Ware of the Asante in Ghana. He is part of a royal heritage which dates back 400 years. Long before colonization, Africans had evolved political systems of their own which worked. The Asante will tell you that a structure of government has to have roots and a sense of tradition before it can be stable. And stability requires social order and a sense of community among the people. Africa's search for these qualities, her struggle for elusive political tranquility, is the theme of this program. When Europeans arrived in Ashanti territory with their gifts of silks and schnapps, they found a society rich in tradition. The praise singers tell of the ancestor who brought the great stool of authority down from the heavens to give the first king his royal mandate. That authority is only partially hereditary. It's passed on by a senior woman in the royal family called the Queen Mother, who has a central role in choosing the successor. Ashanti chiefs do not hold office by right. They are chosen after consultation, and their selection can be challenged.
Mama Baba Kai. Any person I knew had yes. And I don't want to meet you. Second, I don't want my dental can say, you are to one town and Uncle won't say, you be tell them, don't you want some back to them. There was some pressure. I don't remember passing jacket and I see a passing jacket. No,
when consensus is reached, everyone swears allegiance to the new chief through the district queen mother who nominated him. Collective responsibility is affirmed. The new chief is confirmed and declares his allegiance to the Asantehene, his paramount chief. But this empire has been reduced to a regional government in Ghana. Deeply rooted in tradition, it may be, but in the modern state, real power lies elsewhere.